Hello everybody, welcome back to another Rockabilly guitar lesson. And this is another request that I've received. I'll show you how to play Sonny Fisher's Sneaky Pete. Sonny Fisher had a country band going until he saw Elvis. In late 1954, everything changed from then on. He dropped the steel guitar and the fiddle from his band and decided Rockabilly is the way to go. So then a few months later, he went down to the Stouty Studios in Houston, Texas, and recorded 4 songs, all paid by himself, and one of them was Sneaky Pete. And he had a great guitar player with a very unique style by the name of Joey Long. You can hear him on all the Sonny Fisher Stouty recordings. So I will show you the intro right here on YouTube. And if you want to get the solo and also the outro, the tabs and the jam tracks as well, you got to go to my website. The link is in the description below, and then you can download the whole package. On the record, the song is something in between C and C sharp, closer to C sharp already, but I'm pretty sure they played it in the key of C, so that's what I'm doing here to make things easier. The first phrase goes like this. It starts on the 5th fret with a hammer onto 7, D and G string. Then you play 8 on the B and G string, and I use my pinky. And you pull off to 7, play 5, back to the D and G string, 7th fret, and you finish this phrase here on the 5th fret, B and G string. And you repeat this phrase. And then the third time around, you start like this, but then you play something like that. So instead of doing the pull off here from 8 to 7, you just play back and forth. And again, 5th fret and 5th fret on the B and G string to 7 on D and G. Back to 5, B and G string, then the D and G string, and the 7th fret on the D string. And at the end, a hammer-on pull-off, a quick one, from 5 to 7 and back to 5. So this long phrase again, slowly. And then you move to the 2nd fret for the next part. You play the 2nd fret, hammer on to 3rd, play 4 again. Then E and B string, 3rd fret, 1st fret, still the E string. Play the 3rd fret twice and then pull off to the 1st. One more time from the beginning of this phrase. Next part. So you play 3rd, 2nd and 1st of the E string. And then comes the first of his trademark bendings. Very slow bending, a half step up, and then you release at the end, but not all the way down, just a little bit. And then at the end, 1st to 2nd fret. And then to finish off the intro, you play the 1st fret on the B string twice, and then I slide from the 3rd to the 5th fret on the G string, and just repeat this. So let's play this part again here on this part of the neck. here's the whole intro slowly for you.